and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Wow, tell me. Wow, show me. Wow. What the fuck? So cool. Wow. Oh man, cycle of life.
Yeah, circle of life, yeah.
So.
Yeah, that's what's happening all the time.
Roland Yousef, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome on
Wow, wow, so nice, man. Thank you so much for making beautiful this world more beautiful than what it is already. Amazing, huh? Wow, super duper, super duper. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have my back tattooed by this guy. Yo, I hope. Yeah, we already talked. The end of the sky is the end of your mind, same as your imagination. They are coming to the same place, which is the endlessness. Wow. Yeah, man. Roland Yousef, check him out on Instagram. Oh, fuck. Shit. Yeah. Yeah, man. Roland.Yousef. Oh, so it's a workshop.
Workshop.
Oh, cool. No, it's like you facilitate or something idea.
Yeah.
Very good.
Just let them play chess. Yeah.
Nice. Because you just mentioned, party, you cannot all the time party and then the dance floor.
You cannot all the time
You get
party.
fucking bored,
Sometimes
man.
you need to play chess.
Yo. Let me clean your eyes.
Did I spit?
No, I wanted to clean his eyes. Nice, yeah, man. Chess is so super cool.
That is super good.
Very nice. Training for the mind. And now I saw these bars over there, the rings. And I was actually on my way to go find the card to write on it, Ozora, please, we need a calisthenics gym.
You guys
So make some bars,
Gym for your muscles, gym for your brains.
Yo, yeah, man, it's true.
Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna see how many signatures can we get in the sign. So maybe Ozora make us next year. So we can train a little bit
I
here.
sign you.
Because it's not only one weekend, it's like 10, 12 days. We stay here for a long time, we need to train.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
See you.
Thank you so much. What's your name, bro? Danny. Okay, maybe we play later chess. But I'm not a
What's
good
your name?
player. Ali.
Ali, nice to meet you.
Cool,
Ali.
man. Nice to meet you too.
Whenever you're here, we can play.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Ciao. Nice. Yeah, man. With a timer. Very good. Cool. All right, man. Thank you so much.
Sure, man.